Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these simple but beautiful slippers. So we're going to start by tying a magic ring. And we'll make 18 single crochet in the magic ring. At the end of the 18 single crochet, insert your crochet hook to the side we started from and make one single crochet. After that, in this loop, make 2 single crochet, 1, 2 in the same space. In the next loop, which is this, make 1 single crochet. In the next loop, make 2 single crochet. In the next loop, make 1 single crochet. So we are going to be alternating 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet. When you do 2 single crochet in the next loop, you do 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet to the end. So at the end, you put your crochet hook here and make a slip stitch. Cut off your thread and hide the excess. Insert your crochet hook in the middle, yarn over and pull through. Then you tie to make another magic ring. Make another 18 single crochet in the magic ring. At the end, insert your crochet hook to the place where we started from and make 1 single crochet. Then you start alternating again as we did in the first one. In the first loop, make 2 single crochet. In the second loop, make 1 single crochet. In the third loop, make 2 single crochet. So you keep alternating 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet until you get to the end. At the end, you make a slip stitch, cut off the knitting thread and hide the excess. So that's how you continue to join it. 4, you have 5, and you make it to 10, and you do it in 3 different colors. 1, 2, 3. So you are going to join the rings together. So we are going to knit the 3. You pick the blue, shift the white under the blue, and let the blue be on the white. Pick the white, shift the pink. Let the white be on top and the pink under. Shift the pink on top of the blue again and let the blue be down. Just watch it carefully and see how I'm doing. If you can braid hair, I think it's just the same thing. But if you don't know how to braid hair, just watch carefully. And so guys, if you are getting any value from this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. So after you finish knitting it, you are going to join the ends again using single crochet. After you finish joining the ends, make chain 1, turn, and you make 4 rows of single crochet. So you are going to repeat the single crochet 4 rows again on this side. After that, you use your needle and thread and tack the rings down. If it is blue on top, use needle with blue thread. If it is white on top, use white thread to tag it so that it will not show. So you are going to tag it round, all round, just so that the rings will not be, standing up individually, but it will be joined together. So this is my insole. In case you don't know how to do it, I'll put the link in the description of this video. So you put the insole to get the exact place where you're going to last the slippers. So you mark it like this, you turn it and also mark on the other side. So we're going to apply glue on the place where we make the single crochet rows. Keep it and apply also on the insole at the exact place where you marked, and let it dry. So when it is dry, you pick it and last it. So you apply glue on the insole, as you can see I've done already. Apply also on the outsole and let the two dry before we will last it. So when it is dry, just pick it and last it like this. So at the end, friends, this is how the slippers look. So beautiful. So if you love this tutorial, please kindly give me a thumbs up and leave a comment for me down in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.